with me. I haven't ate all morning. It's after 1. I am hungry. Absolutely loving, well, I can't say I'm absolutely loving, because at first I wasn't feeling my makeup and I wasn't feeling my outfit. Like I just wasn't feeling something today. I changed my outfit so many times. Like I was never satisfied with anything I put on until the very last minute I changed. And I'm not even sure if I love this, but it's what I'm wearing. Girl, I got a burger. Ocean got what kind of Swedish pancake and stuff.
It make it look wet.
It say look wet.
But they look nice.
Yeah, it looks so good.
I mean,
I think I should have gotten that. I'm gonna get my little burger. Come eat hungry, so I'm gonna say, you know, the burger I got suffice. So we have completed our brunch date.
It was so good.
It was so good.
I haven't seen you in ages.
I know. I'm gonna see you since. God alone knows. God alone knows.
It was good. It was a good
I
little
know.
catch up.
Chat up everything on me. No. Shut up. Okay. But we're gonna plan a girls' night or a Halloween night or something.
Yes, we need to.
We're going to something.
It's gonna be very luxe.
Very luxe. So I'm buy my new my electric wine open now.
Yes, we're gonna just open wine all night.
Open wine all. If we're gonna do coochie board, cause I'm gonna call it a coochie board. If we're gonna do a coochie board, you have to make it.
Yeah.
We're not gonna make it. Me can't
practice. So
me get the board.
Yeah.
Uno make.
I would just make the coochie board.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's gonna be an activity. We'll make it together.
So we'll definitely show you my coochie board when I
the coochie.
The roads are gonna be that good because
go on watch some YouTube video for making.
I'm going to just go and practice newspaper and practice.
We're going to practice newspaper and napkin. We went to the Clay restaurant. It was so nice, but today it's so gloomy.
Like the weather is not bad in the sense that it's not really cold. Cause the lady are running a t-shirt. Just that out here is
out here nice.
Cold.
Like I like fall weather like this kind of too bad.
But we don't get it for a long time. It starts
just
getting,
like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna just get
like winter.
Cool. We are heading to the next Halloween party, y'all. Okay, so I'm back home. We just attended this next event, and with a Halloween theme party, circus, only type-ish. It was cool. I got to see my peeps and all that stuff, but I'm starving. I am starving. I know these type of events are usually like cute little food, like popcorn, pretzel, jello, and donuts. Like I'm hungry. So don't judge me. Stop and got me a little McDonald's. Having a BLT quarter pounder. Have eaten because We got hungry decor. I was started in the morning. Ooh. I need to get the white stickies for that painting in the back. McDonald's be busting when you're starving. Okay, it's like the best meal you ever have when you're hungry late at night. Nothing beats. Oh my god. It's 11:58. 11:58. All I had was breakfast. Okay? Zero. Where's my home? I got some really cute little pictures. I think I'm gonna post them tomorrow. I haven't been posting a lot of still photos recently. I don't know why. I just haven't been feeling them. I've been trying to get into the reel a little bit more. But y'all, look at the full outfit. Isn't this giving like hello? Just giving, ma'am, the makeup, ma'am. I'm a little bit scared. My makeup always looks the best like this when I feel like I did too much. Because I was gonna wear a costume to this Halloween party, I'm like, I need to be dramatic just a little bit more. And it was also going for that Decor Jada type of makeup look where it's like glammy but really soft and pretty but glammy. You know, we did the ice necklace and the stud earrings and shit. Like, that was the vibe I was going for. And I feel like I love how my skin looks. These type of jewelry, like, I love gold, but this is giving. I'm done with the fast food. I'm not totally done, but I'm gonna limit a bit. I got no food in the house. Like, I need to do grocery shopping. It's not even bread. So what I was gonna come home and eat. Like, I need to grocery shop. Pleasant good day, y'all. It is a Saturday and we're about to go on an errands run. What do I need to do today? I need to go to Home Sense to return a basket that I thought would go with my bathroom, but it just doesn't look right. So I'm gonna return that. I want to get some other like woven wicker baskets for just like different stuff because I like how they look. They just give this warm look. I need one for a plant in the front. I need one for my bathroom, and I might get an extra one for my living room. I'm trying to lotion my heel because my foot tough. It is ashy weather, okay? Ashy. So we gotta make sure so we're lotion or moisturize and all that good stuff. I couldn't be bothered to glue down this week, so I'm wearing a hat. Yeah, that's basically it. So we're gonna go with my mom and sister for a little short girl day, and I need to go to the store to get groceries. I ain't got no food in my house, and it's the person. I woke up hungry and I'm like, what is this life? I ain't got no food, I ain't got no bread, no nothing. I'm trying to get into a skincare routine because I realize my skin isn't doing the best. It could be due to stress that I'm trying to lessen, because last month was rough. So my skin is reflecting all that's happening. I need to fix that.
Hey y'all, y'all haven't seen me in a minute. I haven't been on camera because Chev got me looking dusty.
I got you looking dusty.
She don't want to do my hair. Free me.
You're the
This
one.
is a petition for Chev to do my hair.
Simba, that is, why would you do that?
Free me. Please, if you can hear my cries, drop in the comments. Chev, do Simba's hair, please. He's begging. He's begging. I'm still begging. Well, I miss you guys. I'll be back on camera soon.
So what's wrong with how you look now?
I don't know, they look a little scrubby, I mean. Where's the ball go gym today? Switching memberships and all that?
Today you say you were gonna do it for me.
You have to be there.
We need food. We need food. We need groceries.
I don't need no food.
We need food. So we'll get grocery and
It's cold outside. You may want to cover your tummy.
yeah, somebody say my outfit is too sexy.
No, it's too sexy. You better stop before we have a We have a no, because I grab a scissors now.
Simba, you're blocking me.
I'm not blocking you.
What is wrong with you? Later, boo. You gonna miss me? You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Alright, time to play 2K.
Bye, baby.
Your iPad? Lovely.
Simba, leave my iPad alone. Later. Yes, my love. Swerving on it, swerving on it, good, good. Come girlies. You don't want to disturb me. Getting food. Yeah, so I'm in Canadian Tire and I'm looking for some mirrors to create like this wall window mirror look in the dining room to give it like an open look. I don't know, it's in my head, but I hope it comes out the way I want it to. Let's see if I can find the damn mirrors. Ooh, look, more plants. Yeah. I'll go on Amazon to get this shit. How much inches is that thing? No one there. Mommy has the legs out. Nice clean legs, all of them. What? Whatever you. The motto. How much it does how much 5 years it doesn't so okay, the one from Amazon is at the same price and a 6.5. Okay, I think it's back here. I can fit inside. I can't do all of them.
Well, I absolutely Or I even have a come home.
Oh, the coach
Yeah.
scarf?
No, not all of that. No.
Oh, yes,
I'm talking about the fireplace.
Oh, it just feels cozy, right?
I sit down in that chair and turn it off.
It just give a cozy feel. I love fireplaces.
That's another 9 minutes.
This is it, Ma. So it's like creating your own window, and it's $10.99, so $11.
How would you place them here?
It's either them go up, down like that, or I put them across each other, or I do them this way.
Okay.
Like it's just like being creative with it for just make something chic. Yo, look at this shoe in Marshalls for $39. I love this. I feel so tired. I feel so lazy. I just want to lie in bed. My elbow hurts. Like, I feel sleep deprived. I didn't do my skincare last night. Like, my life is a mess. My kitchen is a mess. Like, everything's just a mess. But I can't just lay down. I need to get it together for the beginning of this week. Because Monday through Friday, I'm moving. Meaning I'm working. We're moving. We're walking. We're doing stuff. I'm going to try to work out. Like, I just need a better week. Wait, who is this calling me? Hold on. Hello? I ordered some stuff that I didn't get last night. Like, I forgot. From Metro. So I ordered grocery. Because last night, by the time we came, me and my mom went to grocery shopping. Most of the supermarkets were closed because it was after 9. So it was only Walmart that was open. And girl, never buy fruits from Walmart. First of all, they're disgusting. They're rotting. Like, Walmart fruits and just organic produce and stuff like that is just nasty. Like, it's... So I couldn't get those last night, so I got them just now from Uber Eats. Because no one's home. Simba's not here. My sister's not here, so I'm home alone. Done with my cleaning, and I just put some lime and lemon and baking soda on the glass stovetop because we cooked like maybe 2 days ago and the grime is stuck on there. so I'm trying to get it off. And the regular cleaner isn't getting it off, and I don't have like a glass stovetop cleaner, so baking soda and lemon always does the trick. That's like your go-to home cleaning shit, okay? So I'm like, if that don't work, I don't know what will. So I'm gonna leave that on there for maybe like 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna clean it off. What time is it? Okay, so we're gonna give it 15 minutes to sit on here. Really soak up, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. So I'm also doing some laundry. So yesterday I went to Canadian Tire. That's like a Home Depot in a sense. But anyway, so I got these glass, and I wanted to do like a mirror wall here. I don't know if I want them to go, this is vertical, right? I don't know if I want them to go vertical or horizontal or whatever. So I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. So I got these mirrors for $10, but when I got home I saw some dents in it. I don't know if it's how we carried it in the car, but I don't like that. Even though it might not show that much on the wall, but I'm like, even though it's $10, you know, like it seems very fragile and bendable. So I want to get these replaced. I'm just gonna wait until Simba gets home to see if we could do that. So those two are fine, so I'm gonna put it on the wall, and then I got some other stuff to put on here. So the vibe that I was going for was gold, black and white, and I'm still gonna go for that vibe because I like my living room to be warm shades. Like I like a toasty feel with my living room, and in the dining room I wanted to give it more of like a modern sleek look. Like I just wanted to mix it up as opposed to just having one color going straight through both rooms. Like I wasn't feeling it. I didn't want it, even though it's open concept, I still wanted it to feel like two different spaces. So I'm like, you know, I'm gonna tie the gold from the browns in the living room into the dining room, and then with the black and the gold, the black leading into the kitchen. So you see that, like it's like a transition type of shit going on. But for here, these are stuff that I had at my old house, but I don't like them on here. Well, these are new. I got this at home since yesterday. I was just playing around with it to see how it looks. I got this, and that candle from HomeSense. So that's what we're keeping. I just need to rearrange them. I'm gonna move this. I got like another white thing that I'm gonna put on here. So we're gonna move these stuff, and then we're keeping these, but we're gonna reorganize them. And I wanted to put a flower in the middle here for a centerpiece with the pumpkin because it's still fall. I'm not feeling very Christmassy. I don't know what's going on, but my neighbors has their Christmas lights out and shit, and I'm like, we're in October, like it's not even Halloween yet, like what? And also I told you guys that I saw this beautiful hanging chandelier. It's black and gold in Home Depot that I want. I don't need it, but I want it because I feel like this is beautiful. But if it was hanging, if it was a hanging light with all this space between the table and the ceiling, oh my god, it would be amazing. That will be my little DIY project that I will be working on. I need to rearrange this thing here. Like I bought some fake full plants because I'm like, I don't know how the girlies do it to be buying flowers every week. Like that ish adds up. Like we're in a recession. Like I'm not trying to buy flowers every week, girl. Like no. Like I'm not that girl. I'm not gonna pretend to be that girl because flowers are like, some of them cost $20 every single week just for flowers for them to die. Like no, I'm going to get me a little fake plant like I did yesterday at Michael's, and I'll put some water in a vase and let it look like it's a real flower. That's what I'm doing. So I got my fruits. I've measured. Look how juicy these strawberries are. If y'all ever saw the strawberries and the raspberries in Walmart yesterday, like there was literally a black raspberry. Like it's not black because, you know, it's naturally black. It's black because it's rotten in Walmart. I'm like, this is disgusting. Like absolutely gross. Nasty business. Nasty. So I got me some raspberries, and these look clean and nice. Like, I love Metro. Love it. Then I got my cucumber. Love cucumber. Got some scallion pain. We can't cook no meal without your scallion. I have scallion or onion in all my meals. Like, really clean. And I got me some Hershey chocolate because, like, what is it? Dark chocolate? No, milky chocolate. I wanted to make some chocolate covered strawberries because I love chocolate covered strawberries, but it's like giving edible arrangements $80 every week. No, like we're trying to be economically friendly. So my strawberries, the pack is $5, which is, I don't know how to feel about it, but anyway, so it's $5 for the pack of strawberries. My Hershey chocolate costs $2. Make my own strawberry covered, no, not strawberry, chocolate covered strawberries, and keep, what's that, $70 in my pocket. Yes ma'am. So we're gonna put this stuff away, and I'm gonna do some laundry and all that other ish. These are the flowers I bought yesterday, and I absolutely hate them. I hate them. They look so fake. I hate them. Put them on my little tray. No, it looks so fake. I guess when you start actually buying real flowers, the fake ones just can't do. I'm returning them. I'm gonna get some real ones. No, I need some real tulips. Is it tulips or tulips? Tulips, whatever. Y'all, I bought this yesterday at Canadian Tires also, like black dishes, and I'm like, I need this because it's gold. Yo, are this empty? This like totally scared me because it's like, why is there an empty box? But it could just be packaging. I'm like, did they give me an empty thing like this? It's supposed to be 12 pieces in this. So much boxes. I guess that's good packaging. These are too cute. These are too cute. I love this. I gotta be careful with them so they don't chip. Can't wait to use these. Oh my god, yes, the black. Why does this one has a dent in it? Don't play with me. Do y'all see that? Or is it just my imagination? Look. What the hell? And I'm not returning it. I can't be bothered. My table setting is for 6. I didn't even think about that. So I can only use these when I'm like serving for 2 or 4. I mean, it's only 3 of us that lives here, but still. I've been needing some new bowls. It's gonna be perfect when I make my little oatmeal with fruits. I'll put my stuff on. Got this yesterday too. So this is medium bowl. I thought this would be bigger. I don't know why, but it's still cute. This is what it looks like on the box. So this is this dish right here. So technically it doesn't look that small. I just thought it would be bigger. Anyways, for the dip in your chip, we got the big bowl for the chips. I'm gonna love using this serving platter. And I put my little dip here, and then all my chips or my guac and my salsa, and yes, can't wait to use it. Today is a date night. Ooh, I'm trying to find some good lighting. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is better. So tonight is a date night, and we're going to this restaurant called Miss Liquamore's. So it's this upscale Caribbean restaurant downtown Toronto. So it's been all over TikTok, and you know, I be trying to test out some of these recommendations on TikTok, especially as a Jamaican. Like I need to see what's happening. So I'm a little scared for these prices, because like at a regular Jamaican restaurant, oxtail pretty much $20. I can just imagine what's gonna be like at this restaurant. I purposefully, usually I would look at the menu, go over and all of that, but I want to be surprised. It's taking a risk, but I want to be surprised. So that's the vibe for it today. You ready, Schnookums?
Yeah. For the first time ever.
I know.
Is ready before me.
I was ready before Simba.
And all it needed to do was for me to go and cut my hair, get stuck in traffic on the way back. For sure, I'll be ready.
Babe, I did your hair too, so.
Okay, we was both.
So that's time. What time is it? We gotta go.
Yeah, you're going right now.
Yeah, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I don't know if Simba didn't say you. Simba, what the heck?
So here we got the black watch with the initial chain with the Chev cut my hair, bro. Chev cut my hair.
It looks so cute.
So I woke up this morning and I was trying to detangle this thing, and the knots and the tangles and everything was just too much. I got frustrated. I was like, yo, Chev, wake up. Like, Chev, wake up.
Like,
come cut my hair. And it was an impulsive decision.
You like it?
Kind of miss it. Like, you know how I be when I cut my hair. I miss it. But I couldn't deal with the knots and the tangles no more. So we'll be back in about 3 months. The link will be back in about 3 months.
Whatever. Yeah, I wore this sweater from H&M that we got yesterday. And these pants from Fashion Nova. And boots from Shein. And then I'm going to finish off the look with this Fendi pouch. This Fendi pouch right here. So I'm just doing different shades of browns for this look, and that is pretty much it. So we gotta go because I already changed the reservation time because we're gonna be late. Absolutely love these sunglasses on Simba. Babe, you just doing it right now. Ooh, you just doing it. Babe, I'm telling you, this haircut, this haircut, babe. This haircut. Y'all know when your man gets a fresh line up?
What does make you feel like doing?
Come. Hey, drive a car and go where we're going. Okay, push share. Yeah. Downtown, walking fast. We're trying to find where we parked because we don't remember where we parked. Oh, they're kind of spooky. You spooked out? They're kind of spooky. Simba,
What up?
do you think Liquor Mix was a good recommendation?
Good recommendation. It was good. The service is great.
The service was really good. Let me make Matthew.
Y'all ever go there, pull up, ask for Matthew.
Matthew was really good, our server.
Tell him Chev scenario.
Tell him yes. Make him know.
I know that doesn't make much of a difference,
Not
but
gonna make no difference.
they're telling me he's here still.
Ew.
But yeah, the food was good. We had some lamb The lamb was soft, like. Let me keep my comparatives to myself. The lamb was soft.
Yeah, so the food was really good. Merchants are noisy. No, I'm so freaking noisy. What was I saying? The food was really good. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. But I don't know what the 1 point come off because it wasn't perfect anyway. But
Oh, the saltfish are a little too salt.
oh, the codfish could have soaked a little bit more. It's salty. But overall, the food was good. The ambiance was really good. Authentic Jamaican music, like it was vibe.
They got a lot of rum there. They got rum from almost every Caribbean island. I had this rum from Haiti, aged 15 years.
Babe,
Boy.
check your phone to see if we're going to the right place. Move it at me.
Yeah, man, we going.
I don't remember walking here.
Yeah, so we gotta go up and then turn slow. We come up with 3 cars the first turn.
Yeah, pre-workout. Yeah, Simba's forcing me to go to the gym.
And 30 minutes into my workout, tell me, yo, I'm going home.
Simba is forcing me to go to the gym. And
You want a full scoop or a half?
how does it work?
Hmm?
How does it work?
I'll give you a half.
I need some pre-workout because the energy is just not there. Like, I want to work out. I need to work out. I need to start making it like a lifestyle. I know I've started and stopped this lifestyle change so many times. But you know, life gets in the way, but the devil is a liar. A liar, because I want to be in shape. I want to look nice. I want to feel good.
You want to look nice, sir.
I want to look nice. Aww.
Nice.
You think I already look good?
You look great.
You think I already look good? Why you just come right in front of my thing?
There's some water in there.
Water, ugh. Why is it so? Did I wash it so properly?
Okay, anda arriba.
Water foggy. Ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna have some pre-workout. How much water should I put in there?
Enough to drink.
Like, what's the content to it?
What's the what?
Like how much water do you
Put
put?
all the water in.
That's what I meant. That's what I'm
to
asking.
go green in. Girl, we have spoons and forks to mix it.
That's more dishes to
XOXO
wash.
cookies.
That is more dishes to wash, please.
That's crazy. We literally have a dishwasher now.
It tastes kind of good.
Yeah, I like that flavor. New flavor.
It tastes like candy. Okay, I'm ready.
About time.
I feel it.
Anything else?
I feel it
Okay,
too.
ain't kick yet.
I feel it in my spirit.
So you're gonna drop this off when you're coming back in, right?
What?
You're gonna drop it when you're coming back in.
Yeah, put another trunk on the car. I want you to go to Canadian Tire, but when you have time. Yeah? I need to return some stuff. And maybe we could put up my thing today. You're home.
As long as everything done before 7 o'clock.
Simba has a Pistons game and
Y'all know me. When the Pistons playing, everything has to stop and accommodate my Pistons. Win, lose, or draw. Don't make no comments.
I didn't say
Okay,
anything.
Celtics was last night.
I didn't even say anything. I didn't say anything. Let's go. Vamos. Ooh, my AirPod. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I've done my workout for the day. This is my first day back, so I did only cardio now just to get my body pumped. But tomorrow I'm gonna do back. I haven't done back in ages, so that's what I'm gonna focus on tomorrow. But I feel good. Like, I think the pre-workout worked, and yeah, that's it for this workout. I wasn't too bad at all. Time to go home because I'm dirty. Okay, and we're heading to the gym again. Consistency is key. We're going right now. I need to get the screen on my laptop fixed because it cracked last night. So stupid. So we're going to the store to get it fixed, and then we're gonna head to the gym. This is my cute little gym fit for today. Something simple. But yeah, I'm late. We gotta run. Forgot the cord. Forgot the cord to charge this camera because this camera is dying. I just came back from the gym. I didn't bring my camera because it was dead. Like, it's about to die right now. I just made this smoothie, and I love a really good smoothie. So I used oat milk instead of regular milk because I am B12 deficient, so oat milk is rich in B12, so I like to use it in my little smoothie shakes. So that's what I did, but it's pretty basic ingredients that you can get at your store. Like, it doesn't have to be anything special. You can buy your own fruits and freeze them, or you can buy the bag fruits. Like, the frozen fruit is cheaper than getting trays of individual fruit, so I prefer that. And it's creamy, it's delicious, but not too creamy where it's clyding or it's just heavy and milky, because I don't like when my smoothie is just, you can taste milk in it. I don't like that. So it's really good. I was gonna make an omelet for breakfast, but we're out of eggs. We got no eggs, so I think I'm gonna make a turkey and cheese sandwich. I really wanted eggs, y'all. I wanted cheesy eggs. Instead, I wasn't gonna spend any money. I was contemplating getting Starbucks. I'm like, girl, no. I got food at home. I'm not buying Starbucks. I got Starbucks at home. Also, y'all, I will update y'all. So y'all know my skin has been going crazier than usual for the last 2 years. Like it's getting worse. So I finally got a skin biopsy done where they took a piece of skin off my butt because the area, they didn't want to take it somewhere that is visible. So they just took it off like my lower bum region. Just like a quarter size, probably this big. It doesn't even look that big anymore. But they took, hold on y'all, let me get my page. Oh yeah, I bought these plates, and why are they all scratched up and shit already? I haven't even used this one yet. Y'all can't even see it. I'm sorry. Anyways, should I put this on? What is up with this plate? As I was saying, so they took like a small piece, and the biopsy test results take a month. I don't understand that, like a whole month, but I digress. You know, with COVID getting back to normal, a lot of labs have backed up shit going on. So we're just here trying to figure out what it is. You know, for years since I've been on this channel, even with my hair falling out in the back on the left side, because I only have this problem on the left side. Like, do you see that like cut like right dead center? Like I have no marks on this side, and then this side I have it all over, just one side of my body. Like it never goes over to the right side. So you know, for years on this channel I've been telling y'all that I have eczema because that's what I was diagnosed with for years. And that's a problem with being a person of, I'm not even gonna say a person of color, because it was someone non-black but identified as person of color that just diagnosed me with eczema without even really taking the time to realize like this is not eczema. Like after reading as much as I could, still don't know what it is. It's not eczema, because eczema is a general skin condition, right? Like it doesn't discriminate wherever on your body, but this thing is just staying on one side of my body. So after realizing that, listen, this doctor doesn't really care about me as a black person. Like she's not really listening. Like you need people to actually listen to what you're saying. She wasn't listening. She didn't care. She just was like whatever. I had this thing on my forehead one time, this big old pussy thing like came out of nowhere, and I told her like with my hair and everything. She was like, oh, over time it just needs to be popped. And I'm like, okay, so it's when I pop it, like what is it? Like is it gonna come back? What is it? Nothing. They just ignore you. So anyways, we did the biopsy. Finally I got a black woman doctor, and she recommended me to a dermatologist. It took months to hear back from a dermatology office, like months. I saw a bunch of specialists. I did kidney ultrasound, I did ultrasound on my liver, like the entire region, because they thought it would be lupus. But my doctor is saying that she's confident that it's not lupus, but they need to do the skin biopsy, and the skin biopsy was taking forever. So I finally got it done, and we're gonna know next month. So probably in where are we? In 2 weeks I'm gonna go back to the dermatologist for the results. So I'm hearing that it's something that is obviously, well, they don't think it's nothing detrimental, but it could be just a cosmetic issue. But why is it an issue? Do I need to change something in my diet? That's what we're gonna find out. So just in case if you're new here, or I don't know, yeah, this is what we're working with. We have no idea. And then you already know with medical practices, they don't show pictures when you Google stuff, or when you go to these medical schools and stuff. They don't show much of black skin with certain conditions. So it's like you're basing it off of Caucasian looking people on the internet when you're Googling stuff, and it's like, my skin doesn't look like that. I'm more melanated. Is it that I'm gonna be darker than this red spot on this next person? Like, it's just confusing and a lot, and it's stressful, and yeah. So anyway, so ever since I've just been super conscious. Before I didn't really care, but with it getting worse and worse and worse, I have opted to just wear everything with sleeves. Like that's just been me. Like I try to be more confident with it, but you know, after a while it's like it's changing. Like it's everything is all over the place, and you want to be super confident with stuff, but it's okay to be, you know, a little bit self-conscious with certain things. Sometimes I'm like super confident, sometimes it's like I'm gonna just put this jacket on, I'm gonna wear a longer sleeve everywhere I go. Like that's just been me. Lunch is ready. It's looking kind of messy, excuse the plate, but girl, do you hear that crunch and the cheese on the inside? I forgot to put spinach in there, but we're gonna make that next time. But yes, look how golden that is. Wow, this is so good. So, this is definitely not after the gym type meal. Do you see how much cheese I put in there? I'm gonna just have to work it off tomorrow. Do y'all see this here? I swear to y'all, every time we be in these vlogs, y'all be seeing like 10 different hairstyles at a time. Like, but this hair though, this hair though, yo, this hair looks so freaking good. First it was a center part, and I was nervous about the center part because it's like, center parts just make my head look hella square unless I have a fresh braid down and the hair is super flat. But with a kinky hair like this, a middle part just make my head look like a box. And I can't have that, so I'm like, you know, I'm gonna switch it to a side part, and I am absolutely loving it. This hair was from my first wig, and of course y'all know I'm gonna do a review for it. Y'all, I'm checking my email, 1 second. When I get emails about like collaboration, sponsorship, anything, is like my brain just stops everything else and I gotta check it, because you know that's work and that's money. Anyways, so yeah, so I filmed the video for this hair. Today's Halloween. Freaking love Halloween, but I'm not like the scary type Halloween girl. I'm like the cookie cutter, pretty, well not pretty, but like sweet version of Halloween. Like I like the history of a lot of things, so it's not just Halloween for me. Like I would read up like what the heck Halloween means, like what is All Hallows Eve. Like I get real deep down into it without the scary stuff. And we got candy for the little kitties. Obviously I'm not gonna vlog me giving candy to the little kids, because you know I'm not trying to let one of their parents sue me for putting minors on the internet. So y'all not gonna see me handing out candies. It's just here for the kitties and all of that. It's like 5 o'clock right now, so we'll see if I might just eat all of this myself. Simba is the one that bought this, because I already made up my mind, like I will be working today, I don't feel like doing all of that, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm the only one home, like why do I gotta do all of that? But once he got that, I was like really excited to do it. Like, yeah, when I get my little munchkin, my own kid, I'm gonna be like one of those parents that will go all out for every single holiday. But right now I'm kid free, so I'm not really like into the dress up aspect of it, even though you don't have to have a kid to dress up, but I'm too lazy. But when I get a kid, I'm probably gonna put more effort into actually like participating in Halloween type stuff. Anywho, update on the place. We got these mirrors put up. So Simba put up these mirrors for me, and I love them. Love, 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 love them. It's giving a little abstract thingamajig going on here. I don't know how to describe that. I initially bought 4, but once we put it up, I'm like, you know what, 3 seems like enough. The 4 would be redundant. Like, I don't need a 4th one down here. Not even gonna see it. So what I did is, after installing this, what I'm gonna do is I might put like a light right here, like one of those wall mount lights that would give like a yellowish hue from Amazon. I'm not sure yet. I don't want to overcrowd the area, especially since we have our little thing going on here. But what I did buy is I bought a tree, like a palm tree. It's a full tree, of course, because I'm not very good at taking care of plants just yet. I'm not like a plant mom. So we're gonna put a tree right here in this corner, right over here, and I'm gonna get a little black pot or gold pot to put the tree in. Also, I'm gonna get one for over this area by the TV, because I feel like it just needs something else. It needs a little boom boom boom. But yeah, this is our table I showed y'all in the last. It's pure marble, heavy as shit. I got it from Wayfair, but it is so worth it. Absolutely love, 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 love the marble. What I gotta do, I have to edit the video for this week like today, because I was supposed to do it last week, but I was really lazy for reasons I do not know. Sometimes my energy just gets really, really low, especially this time of year. If I don't get enough sunlight, I don't get enough like outside activity type thing, like my energy just be down here. And I haven't been on a trip in a minute. Like, it's been 2 months. Like, I feel like I'm starving on the inside to go somewhere tropical. So I think I'm going to save, because one of my goals was to save a certain amount after summer, because summer I did a lot. So I'm like, you know what, Chev, like, you don't need to do, you know, like, you gotta be responsible with a lot of things, you know. So I had to really back in. Even if I can't afford to do a bunch of different things, that doesn't mean that I have to at this point in time. Like, just to give y'all the real, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna keep stacking, keep working, do what I need to do. You know, a girl got goals. A lot of goals. After I achieve one goal is another goal. So gonna keep doing that until December. We're definitely gonna go somewhere for Simba's birthday, especially since last year we didn't get to do, like, we went to Detroit for his 30th, but I don't think we really got to really turn up for his 30th birthday. So this year my goal is for his 31st birthday to just, we're gonna do a trip, something real luxe, something real nice, you know. Gotta do that. But anywho, another thing is, I don't know if you guys can see, like, this part of my face is so freaking swollen. And I don't know, just one day in the middle of the day, my cheek just started hurting me. And I don't know, like, I'm like, you know what, the last time I went to the dentist, they told me I had to take out 3 wisdom teeth, and they were gonna set up the appointment. They haven't called me yet, and I'm hella scared, because I was supposed to do it before the summer, and I put it off. But I was wondering if it was it, but then, like, you know, examining my own gums and stuff, I don't think it's like the actual teeth, like the gum. It's my cheek, and it has little blisters on it that came out of nowhere. So, you know, of course we gotta go to Google, and Google is saying, like, that's normal for you to sometimes get blister. It might be a hormone change, it might be an infection. I don't know what the it is, but, like, I look like a chipmunk. Y'all don't see that? And it's so freaking tender. Anyways, I forgot to say my B12 for the day. I'm gonna take that. Y'all know I'm B12 deficient. I gotta make sure I took my B12. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna edit. I might watch some Halloween movies later, but my Halloween type of movies is like Disney, all Disney type shit, right? Last night I watched Haunted Mansion, the Eddie Murphy Haunted Mansion. Tonight I'm gonna watch Halloween Town. I'm gonna watch Halloween Town 2, Calabar's Revenge. Then I might watch Twitches, although I watched it last week, so maybe not. Halloween High. What is this in my mouth? Was the last one I think I really, oh, look at my teeth. That's the B12. That's the last one I think I really enjoyed from that thing, because I forgot the girl's name. Who is calling me, honey? Hello? 10 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. And I was from my MacBook. You remember I told you my screen cracked, so I have to pick that up tomorrow. Yeah, what was I talking about? Yeah. What else might I watch? I might watch Scary Movie. That's with the Wayne Bros and some other people. Like, you know that stupid show? Like, I gotta watch that for Halloween. But I'm not like a scary movie type of girl. Like, never been. I'm sorry. I'm a wuss. No ma'am. I'm not trying to have nightmares. Okay. I also realized that I haven't had anything to eat all day. Because this is what happened when I'm working. When I actually get into the mood of working, I do not eat. I haven't eaten. And I need to clean up my kitchen. I got shit all over. Everything has to be cooked. I don't feel like cooking. I don't feel like cooking. I don't want to spend money. Yeah. I don't want to spend money and I don't want to cook. Everything in here has to be cooked. I don't want to cook. I'm gonna starve. I'm gonna just wither away and starve. Cause what is this? I got a headache. I think I might just make breakfast for dinner. Make some waffles and scrambled eggs, cause that's the easiest thing to make right now. Cause I don't feel like seasoning any chicken and no. Show me can butter. I can't butter.